Hey guys, so for today's video I listened to your requests for outfits to style your jeans with, and I put together 30 wearable looks with mum jeans, skinny jeans, straight legs and wide leg jeans that you can pull together, hopefully with items already in your wardrobe. Make sure you stay to the very end as I actually worked out how to style wide leg jeans in a way that I absolutely love. So let's do this. We are starting with a classic tee and mum jean and elevating it with a casual leather jacket and a little black mini bag combo. So easy to wear. Next up, I've teamed some natural fabric and statement accessories, which are my spring essentials, with my new favourite Birkenstocks for a really laid back, easy look. Perfect for days out with the kids, and I love the beige aesthetic of this outfit. This next look is a little more classic. We all need an oversized shirt to style up our jeans with, and by adding a simple flat but a statement bag, it looks just more pulled together and that little bit more stylish. Keeping with the shirt and jeans, but adding a grandad sandal and a different bag to change it up and look a little more trendy. I've styled the open shirt with a crop, but you could also put a bodysuit underneath. We've changed the mum jeans to black, and now one of my go-to looks is just to add some neutral accessories to a thin black high-necked sweater. So easy, so classy. Incorporating a big trend for 2021 by adding a cropped blazer or jacket to elevate your jeans, with a simple flat to make the jacket the main feature of the look and then make it not too OTT for day wear. Next is to show you don't need to put away your sweaters just yet. By adding a gladiator sandal, this looks less wintry and a really stylish thrown together outfit. This is such a cute way to keep your skinnies on trend for spring. Just adding a sweater vest over a tee, I always pinch my hubbies, and a grandad sandal looks so cute. Don't forget a mini bag. Love those. Another jumper over skinnies, as spring in the UK can still be cold. Don't forget to add a long tee, it will always elevate a knit and jeans outfit, and a neutral cute bag and a slide-on mule to keep it much more of a spring look. Bodysuit and jeans is always a go-to for me. Just adding a statement belt and a simple flat shoe and a bag is so chic and so easy. If you want to go a tiny bit more dressy, you can add a slip-on flat and a leather jacket over your shoulders and look instantly put together. A jacket over the shoulders is still a great way to wear your jackets in the spring and effortlessly cute. Some days we just need to be comfy, and this is my comfy go-to look. Cute sweatshirt and cons, but add a cute bag and sunnies to give it a little twist. Such a simple street style kind of vibe, but still put together. Pastels are so big this year and they look great with light denim. Even better if you have some cute shoes you can add to get that mixed pastels rainbow vibe. Keeping those accessories simple. One of my favourite colour schemes, nudes. I tucked this boxy cardi to make it into a wrap style, so be creative with your tops and get different looks out of what you already have. Then add all the same tones for a super chic, girly look. Another super casual favourite of mine, a sweatshirt, a relaxed jeans, a pair of sliders, shades and a big bag. Perfect for a busy errands day or a day out with the kids. This next look is a great way to add a dad blazer, or if you don't have one, pinch one from your husband. I've teamed over a gym top with grandad sandals for a really trendy look, or you could do a t-shirt or bodysuit. Then same look but making it even trendier by adding a sports sock and a chunky trainer. Everyone has a cute dressy top in their wardrobe, but you can still wear it for daytime too, just by making it more casual with a simple sandal and jeans. If you want to show less skin, add a white t-shirt or bodysuit underneath. The trench coat is the coat for spring, and this super lightweight one from H&M is so perfect over jeans, a t-shirt and sandals. Add a crossbody bag and it's such a chic, classy but so easy outfit to wear. The most basic outfit of hoodie and jeans, but one I wear all the time. Keeping it stylish, not slobby, with granddad sandals, a bag and sunnies, and you can still look cute but be super comfy and practical. We couldn't do a jeans video without some double denim, such a love-hate outfit, but I kind of love. I just keep it simple and try to add accessories so it doesn't look dated. A striped knit is such a wardrobe essential and I love this look. I felt like it looked less wintry by adding the nude boots and a little Parisian vibes. So cute. This bodysuit is from Zara and it is a favourite of mine. It is so perfect for an all black outfit. Just add black accessories and these amazing Chanel-esque flats that I think everybody needs. They go with everything. So chic. Some days you just need to be comfy and an oversized tee can still look great. Just grab some sliders and keep it all black to still look put together and stylish. Changed up to my platform Vans for a more casual street style outfit. Love. So I actually found some outfits I like with wide leg jeans, and the reason I didn't like them is they were too long. They were making me look so short. So I worked out I needed to cut them to ankle length, and now I love. Add cute tops and flats to make them look girly and more grown up. Or for a more relaxed look, add a slouchy cardi and Birkenstocks. Looks so cute. Don't forget to slouch off your shoulder for more of a spring look. And finally, I actually love them with sweatshirts and chunky trainers. What a combo. I'm so happy I worked out a way how to wear these. I hope you found this super helpful. Check out the other fashion videos on my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you lots, guys. See you on Monday at 4. Mwah.